2020 was a record-breaking hurricane season. In just 2 months, Hurricanes Laura, Delta, and Zeta left a trail of destruction across Louisiana. Hundreds of thousands of our customers were left without power, and damage to our electrical system was catastrophic, unlike anything we've ever seen before. When large storms or other disasters damage electric systems, electric utilities like Cleco Power launch round-the-clock efforts to restore power as safely and efficiently as possible. The cost to restore power to our customers and repair our damaged system was over $240 million, the largest combined storm expense in our company's history and more than Hurricanes Katrina and Rita combined. For this reason, Cleco Power filed an application with the Louisiana Public Service Commission, the state regulatory agency that oversees utilities, requesting recovery of certain storm restoration costs. The Commission approved a storm restoration charge for our customers. While the actual charge on a customer's bill will vary based on electric usage, the average residential customer using 1,000 kilowatt hours can expect to see a charge of approximately $2.23 per month beginning June 1. The cost of providing reliable power are spread across our system and shared by all customers who are vulnerable to unexpected weather like hurricanes, tornadoes, and ice storms. So spreading the cost among all customers keeps the impact of storm recovery as low as possible. We appreciate our customers and will continue to safely and reliably serve your power needs. If you have any questions, please visit our website at cleco.com, follow us on Facebook at Cleco Power, or call a customer experience representative at 1-800-622-6537. Thanks for being a Cleco customer.